Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we're giving you a weekly update on the USD Japanese yen on this pair on a 4-hour charts. Okay, as you can see here, we've got a nice setup. In this case, we've got a nice 1, 2, 3 setup here. So by using the wave calculator here to give us a nice exit target and also entry target here as well to have us make it easier for us to make it nice and simple. So we've got a high of this pair right here. The highest of this pair is up here, and then you've got a retracement of one here and two here, and lowest point, and then we've got a retracement up here. So all you need to do is plot this 1, 2, 3. So you got the first one at this highest point, second one at the lowest point here, and the third one is at the retracement, and bingo, there you go, you got your retracement up here. Let's change that to, just make it easier, blue, and then you got your exit target here. So you got a lot of exit target down here. You can always target the first three. That's more easier, more conservative as well to exit your trade. And up here, above the first point is your um, stop loss area. Okay, so let's put a stop loss there. So if you're going to target the first three, you can actually enter at a retracement area here. So let's say enter at the 79% at 109.04. Your first exit is here at 107.79, about 126 pips. And your second will be exit at 107.64, about 144 pips. And then your third here is 147.45. If you want to continue down further to the fourth target here is 107.07, which is about 197 pips, and you can continue further if you want to, but we pretty much want to be conservative, always exit the first three targets here. So that's how you find your exit target. All you need to do is plot 1, 2, 3 using wave calculator. I'm going to show that to you again one more time for this weekly update. Find highest point, put a 1 up here, and we click on the box again to get the lowest point. Excuse me, and then the retracement up here. So you got a retracement. There's your third point. There's your entry area in this blue box here, and then you got your exit target here, all the way down from 1 all the way down to your 7th target here at 106 even, and stop loss is above this the first point. And that's all you need to do using wave calculator. Very easy, show you exactly where you can exit your trade, and also where you can actually enter your trade as well. Hope you like today's weekly update on the Euro, on the USD Japanese yen on a 4-hour chart. See you back shortly. Thanks for watching.